Best Small Sports Sedans for 2024-2023 Honda Civic Type R. In the realm of small sports sedans, the 2023 Honda Civic Type R stands tall as a beacon of performance, blending exhilarating driving dynamics with practicality and reliability. As the latest iteration of Honda's iconic Type R lineup, the Civic Type R represents the pinnacle of sport compact engineering, offering a thrilling driving experience without sacrificing everyday usability. Under the hood of the 2023 Honda Civic Type R lies a potent turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 engine, delivering an impressive 306 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a slick-shifting 6-speed manual transmission, the Civic Type R provides enthusiasts with the ultimate driving experience and a direct connection to the road. With its potent powertrain and responsive handling, the Civic Type R accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 5 seconds, making it one of the quickest cars in its class. But the Civic Type R isn't just about straight-line speed, it's also engineered to deliver exceptional handling and agility. Honda's engineers have fine-tuned the Civic Type R's suspension, chassis, and aerodynamics to provide exceptional agility and responsiveness, allowing drivers to confidently tackle corners and curves with precision. Whether navigating city streets or carving through winding mountain roads, the Civic Type R offers a level of performance and control that is sure to thrill enthusiasts. In terms of design, the 2023 Honda Civic Type R exudes an air of aggression and athleticism. Its bold and aerodynamic exterior, accentuated by a distinctive rear wing, aggressive front grille, and enlarged air intakes, makes a bold statement on the road. The Civic Type R's aggressive styling is further complemented by 20-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust outlets, and Type R-specific accents, which add a touch of sportiness to its appearance. Inside the cabin, the Civic Type R offers a driver-centric environment that is designed to enhance the driving experience. Recaro Sport seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and aluminum pedals create a race-inspired ambience, while advanced features like Honda's infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto provide connectivity and entertainment at your fingertips. Furthermore, the 2023 Honda Civic Type R comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2023 Honda Civic Type R represents the pinnacle of performance and practicality in the small sports sedan segment. With its potent powertrain, agile handling, and practical design, the Civic Type R offers enthusiasts a thrilling driving experience without compromising on everyday usability. Whether tearing up the track or cruising through city streets, the Civic Type R promises an exhilarating and unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.